Hello friends and welcome back to the Pines. Today we're taking a look at one of our premium espressos, which also just so happens to be the Gray Scope, my favorite. Let's take a look. So of course right here we've got those digital locks for both the keyed and keyless entry. Can't forget that. Super important. Also, this apartment happens to be just down the way from your laundry. Very convenient. Only a half flight down, half flight back up. Now let's take a look inside. So right here when we enter, of course, we got that nice big coat closet, giving us all of that storage. And the living room. So here we see we've got a nice big space, and of course, being on the third floor for this beautiful apartment, we've also got a huge balcony space. Great for enjoying all of those beautiful Michigan summers that are coming up. So keep that in mind. Now moving forward, we're gonna check out the dining area. So we see here we've got a nice big open kitchen here with tons of natural light, keeping that theme here. Plus, surprise, a pantry space. So in addition to our fantastic kitchen storage, you get a little bonus there too. Now here is the kitchen proper. Again, gonna be that nice galley style that feeds right into our dining area. Of course, we have featured in the Gray Scope the gorgeous stainless steel appliances, again, because it's premium, featuring the microwave for you. And of course, can't forget about the dishwasher. You see we've got these beautiful fixtures here on the cabinets. Just honestly really pretty. Gives it a really nice, crisp, fresh feeling to it. And that's gonna take us into the bathroom space. So here we can see we've got gorgeous countertops, brand new light fixtures, and can't forget that fantastically done tile work here in the bathroom for the tub and shower. And of course, can't forget fantastic storage under sink, as well as our medicine cabinet. Now, what's also fantastic about this setup is that you also have a master entry. So not only can your guests get to the bathroom from the hallway, but you also have direct access through your master door. But your guests will never have to go through your actual bedroom to get to your bathroom. Nobody needs to see what's in there. Then here for the actual bedroom, we can see we've got tons and tons of space. Can also, even though it is the smallest of our one bedrooms, fit that king bed comfortably with room to walk around, believe it or not. Check out our Espresso model home, it's a beige reno, to get some more details on how that's gonna look for you. And of course, we have our walk-in closet, can't forget that, with all of that fantastic shelving for all of our clothes. And now I know this was a beautiful apartment, but there's actually one feature left. Right here, just off of our living room, we've got another closet. Got tons of space in here as well, plus this fun little nook area. Now, at first glance, it might seem a little quirky, but that little spot is fantastic for luggage, for your seasonal decorations, seasonal clothing, plastic bins, even kitty litter pans fit great in there. So whatever your needs are, I'm sure you'll find a great spot for that nook, for all of those storage needs. Now, if this is the apartment for you, because let me tell you, if I were ready to move, I'd be in here myself, then give us a call today. This apartment isn't gonna last long. I mean, look at it, it's beautiful. So definitely give us a call today so we can get you all squared away and get you all settled in your new home at the Pines. You can reach us at 734-434-3455 or online at www.thepinesofcloverlane.com. Check us out today and we hope to hear from you soon.